Alright, cool. Back at it from the car. So my dream job would be to ultimately be a restaurant owner. I want to start, from the bottom, own one restaurant, and then own two, and then three, and then four, and then so on. All types of different restaurants. I want to just be an owner and work with chefs, work with different, all sorts of different people, and just, make restaurants work. The reason I want to do this is I love restaurants. I love eating out. I love food so much. Like, just going out to dinner is such a like fun experience. Like, no matter where you go, the fact that you just sit down, someone brings you food, you eat it, and you just pay and leave. To me, that's awesome. And you can have all sorts of different cuisines, cultures. Like, to me, that just seems like really cool. Like, food, you got to eat every day, so why not be at the best part of it. What I think this class is going to help me to do to achieve my dream job is, learning the industry and learning how stuff works, learning how the restaurant industry works, and learning, the logistics of it and how, just where to start from and what the end goal should be. Um, 2 to 3 action steps in order to do this. One is reading. You have to read a lot, I think. Especially for me, I feel like I learn better when I read at my own pace. So I would definitely read a lot. I would, read books about the industry, read articles, read people who were restaurant owners and all this kind of things, and just keep reading and expanding my knowledge on the subject. Another thing is I would, work in a kitchen, washing dishes or waiting tables or being a host or something. Right now I work at Starbucks and I feel like I'm getting a good system, a good idea of how food systems kind of work, when we order milk, when we order coffee beans and all these kind of things. So I feel like I'm already getting some piece of it, but it's not a real restaurant. We don't really do food like that. So hopefully, working in a kitchen, I'd love to cook. Do some prep work, anything. Just putting my foot in the door. I feel like with hard work, you can get anywhere you want to go. And the next thing is interning and shadowing. Finding people who are restaurant owners and people who have succeeded in this field and who have that job that I want to have, and just picking their brains and just asking them questions and asking them, can you be my mentor? Can you show me like where to start or what to do? And I feel like that is probably one of the best ways to really, get knowledge and networking with these people, and just constantly picking their brain, asking them questions about like little things, big things, just anything. And I feel like for me, that's what is going to be the plan. So yeah.